Hello ASVAB warriors, welcome back to the second part of expressions topic, and without wasting much time, let's begin the video. So, we are going to learn about factorization of algebraic expression using common factor method. Now, sometimes it might seem it is complicated, but believe me, it is not. Okay, all that you need to know are the factors. Now, let's say I'll write this down first. So, let me just move on to the left hand side. 10x square y, and I'll write down 6xy square. So, first thing, write down the prime factors of 10. Prime factors means the numbers, like you need to find the least prime numbers that you can multiply in order to get the value number 10. So, 2 times 5 times x square is nothing but x times y over here. Next, 6 can be written as 2 times 3 times x, y square can be written as y times y. Now, common factors, here there was a subtraction. So, what will I do now? I need to find the common factors. So, common factor, here there was a 2. So, I'll take 2 one time, multiplied by 5 is not common in both, so I'll just leave the 5 as it is. I'll take this x as common, put it outside. Now, x is not common. I'll take the remaining y, I'll put it over here. Now, I'll put a parenthesis over here and see what is remaining from the first term. So, what is remaining? 5 and x. So, I'll write as 5x. The minus sign as it is. What is remaining in this term now? 3 and y. So, what do we have? 2xy, 5x minus 3y. So, this is your factorization by common factor method. I hope you understood this, and I am going to solve few more. So, chill down. Now, let's try solving this question over here. So, there are 3 terms, means trinomial it is there. So, what will I do now? I will write down the first terms like this: 15ab square, 9ab. Okay. So, 6 can be written down as 2 times 3 times. A square can be written as a times a, and b can be written as it is. 15 can be written down as 3 times 5 times a times b square can be written as b times b. 9 can be written as, remember this is 9, 9 can be written as 3 times a times b. Remember, whenever you want to find the common factor between 3 terms, you need to find the factor that is common for all the 3 of them. So, let's see, is 2 common? No. Is 3 common? Let me find out. Yes. So, 3 is common. So, I'll just write it down over here. 3 is common. A is common for all of them? Yes. So, I'll just circle it down. So, I'll take that A as well. Let me see. Another A? No. Another B? Yes. B is common for all the 3. Now, put a parenthesis, and whatever is remaining, you guys need to put that into the parenthesis. So, 2A. So, write it down, 2A. There was a plus sign over here, so I'll take a plus sign. Next, what is remaining? 5B. Minus sign as it is. What is remaining? Only 3 is remaining over here. So, our complete answer is nothing but 3AB in parenthesis 2A plus 5B minus 3. That will be our final answer. I hope you understood this. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next question. Now, I want you to solve this question on your own and send me the answer in the comment box. So, please write this question down and send me the answer in the comment box. So, the question says 10x y z square plus 5x y square z minus 15 xz. I want you to find the answer to this and send it to me in the comment box. Now we are going to move on to the method called splitting the middle term. Whenever factorization is not possible, we will be using the method called splitting the middle term. Okay, it's not that difficult, guys. I will help you out in learning that in the most easiest way. Moving on, whenever we are not able to solve any particular question with the common factor method, we will be using a method called splitting the middle term. Remember one thing, ax square plus bx plus c, it is nothing but the general equation for quadratic equations or expressions. Now we are considering just two numbers, two random numbers, alpha and beta. We don't know their values yet. So you need to find two such numbers whose product will be equal to, means alpha times beta must be equal to a times c. Here there is a, here there is c, and alpha plus beta should be equal to nothing but b, which is this. Okay, alpha times beta should be equal to a times c, and alpha plus beta should be equal to b. Don't worry, I'll explain that to you with some example also, so that you can understand it very carefully. Now let's say the question says x square plus 7x plus 10. So if I write down the equation ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c. So what do I have? A as equal to 1, b as equal to 7, c as equal to 10. So I need to find two such numbers. Alpha times beta should be equal to 1 times 10, which is nothing but 10, and alpha plus beta should be equal to this value of b, which is 7. So two such number, when multiplied you get the value as 10, when added you get the value as 7. So those two numbers are nothing but 5. 5 times 5 and 2, 5 times 2 is nothing but 10, 5 plus 2 is nothing but 7. Okay, so you got those two numbers. So the answer to this question will be very simple, x plus 5, x plus 2. That's it. Okay, you just need to find these two numbers and you have factorized it. I hope you understood it. Now let's say I will take one more question for it, and here there is going to be a negative value, so that you guys can get a more clarity about solving it. So let's say here if I write down ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So I'll just write down x square minus 3x minus 10. Okay, now let's say a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 3, c is equal to negative 10. So I need to find two such numbers. I'll find them over here. I need to find two such numbers. Alpha times beta should be equal to 1 times negative 10, which is nothing but negative 10, and alpha plus beta should be equal to negative 3. So which are those two numbers? So their multiplication should be negative 10, addition should be negative 3. So I can just think of two numbers, which is negative 5 and 2. So negative 5 times 2 is nothing but negative 10. Negative 5 plus 2 is nothing but negative 3. Okay, so those two numbers are negative 5 and 2. So what can I do? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. X minus 5 because it was negative 5. X plus 2 because it was plus 2. That's it. This is how you factorize the questions. I hope you guys have understood this as well. Moving on to the next question. So the question says factorize 5x square minus 20. So here we are going to use the identity over here. Okay, so let's say 5x square minus 20. I will take first, I'll just take down the common factors which I find as 5. What is remaining from this? X square minus 4. Now if you remember carefully, a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b times a minus b. Okay, now let's solve this over here. So 5 times x square, this 4 can be written as 2 square. So 5 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. So this is your answer. I hope you understood this. Now I want you to solve one question, okay, on your own, and then write down the answer in the comment box. So the question says 25 x square minus 36 y square. Just give me the answer to this question in the comment box. I hope you understood this, and if you have any doubt regarding the expression topic, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video till now. Please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you so much. This is your mathematical knowledge coach Vivek signing off.